Hello everyone. So I hope you people are enjoying the task as well as chapter discussed by me. All of you remember that there are many students, those who are observing videos. Views are increasing, but I don't know why don't you people subscribe my channel. So all of you remember that you must subscribe my channel by clicking the subscribe button just below the video on right hand side, bottom right hand side corner. There is a red color button where you subscribe the channel. Now that's all. We are going to discuss today's topic, decimals and its uses. We are Why we are reading this chapter, this have any practical uses? Yes, always we are using the decimal in our daily life. For example, if I want to say that give me 1 kilogram 500 gram rice, so in place of that we can easily say that give me 1.5 kilogram rice. So that point is your decimal. So we are going to discuss how and where we use the decimals. The very first thing, in money, all of we all of us we know that 1 rupees equals to 100 paise. 1 rupees equals to 100 paise. So therefore 1 paise equals to, that you learn in lower classes. Only for recall I am telling you this thing. It's a rupees 1 upon 100. That is your rupees 0.01. Again we use decimals now. Similarly, we can convert your length unit, your mass unit, gram into milligram and gram into kilogram, meter into kilometer, meter into millimeter. We can easily convert likewise, that we already discussed in last classes. We are going to now discuss one by one some questions so that you can easily understand the concept of this decimal, where we use and how to use. The very first question, conversion of rupees into rupees. Conversion of rupees. How we convert rupees? Suppose it is given that 63 rupees 9 paise. What does it mean? It means 63 rupees plus, we have to convert this paise into rupees because it says that expressed as rupees. So as we know that in 1 paise we have 1 upon 100 rupees. So 9, in 9 paise we have 9 into 1 upon 100 rupees. So ultimately what we have, 63 plus 9 upon 100, it's a 63 plus, convert this into decimal, likewise we can solve. Again it is given that convert centimeter using decimals. You have to convert centimeter. So as we know that in 1 meter we have 100 centimeter and 10 centimeter, and also we know that 10 millimeter equals to 1 centimeter. By using only these two we can convert them easily. So I am using only one question, 13 convert into centimeter. This is convert into centimeter. It is given that 13 centimeter 3 millimeter. So in this case, we have to convert complete into centimeter. How we complete? It's 13 centimeter is as it is. 3 millimeter means what? 3 upon 10 millimeter, because in 1 centimeter we have 10 millimeter. So in 1 millimeter we have 1 upon 10 centimeter. That's the concept. It's a centimeter, not millimeter. It's a centimeter. Now what we have? 13 plus 0.3, and then we can write down centimeter. It's a 13.3 centimeter. Likewise, we can solve some other concepts also. Convert into meter. It is given that 6 centimeter. How we convert them? As we know that in 1 centimeter, in 1 meter we have 100 centimeters. So in 100 centimeter we have 1 upon 10, 1 upon 100 meter. So 6 upon 100, and easily convert into meter. It's a 0.06 meter. Likewise, you can convert into kilometer, into kilogram by knowing the metric table. I think all of you must know the metric table. Class 6, in class 6 there is no requirement of learn again the metric table. It is the work of class 3, 4 and 5. Now we move to the word problem. In this question, there is a question that it says that Anita bought 2 meter 70 centimeter cloth for her shirt and 2 meter 85 centimeter cloth for her trouser. Find the total length of the cloth bought by her. So first, while solving the word problem, note down what is given in question. That is mandatory. If you note down that one, then you can easily, you are able to learn that what to do. You are able to know that what to do and how to do. So for this, what is given? That for shirt there is some length, and when for trouser there are some cloths. Here you can write in cloth for shirt and trouser. So what is given in shirt? In shirt it's 2 meter 70 centimeter. 2 meter 70 centimeter. Here we can easily convert into either into whole into centimeter or whole into meter. Here I am going to convert whole into centimeter. So let's start. Okay, we can do one thing. I am going to convert the whole into meter. So it's a 2 meter plus 70 upon 100 meter. It's a 2.70 meter. This is ultimately we have the answer. Again, in trouser it is given that 2 meter 85 centimeter. It means what? It means 2 meter plus 85 upon 100 meter. It's a 2.85 meter. So what is the solution? Total cloth equals to 2.70 and plus 2.85. We add both the length. Now they are in like decimal. So add them. 0 plus 5, 5, 7 plus 8, 15. 1 carry, 2 to 4, 1, 5. 5.55 meter. Similarly, the other question is there that Sonita traveled 15 kilometer 268 meter by bus, 7 kilometer 7 meter by car and 500 meter on foot. in order to reach her school. How far is her school from her residence? Okay, I am going to solve only one this question. Then we move to the skip some questions from a book. And those left questions are your homework. So here it says that Sunita traveled 15 kilometer 268 meter by bus. It's a 15 kilometer 268 meter. We have to convert this complete into one unit, either kilometer or meter. So here I am going to convert again into kilometer. But yes, in kilometer. It is easier for you and us also. 15 kilometer plus 268. As we know that in 1 kilometer we have 1000 meter. So we must divide the given thing by 1000 so that we have kilometer in answer. So ultimately what we have? We have, when we solve, we have 0.268 kilometer. What does it mean? 15.268 kilometer. This is your solution, 15.268 kilometer. Due to some issues, this time I am going to pause various time of videos because I have to maintain some work also. So avoid that one. Then by car it is given 7 kilometers 7 meter. For this conversion, I am going to use this question. We have to convert 7 meter into kilometer. So 7 plus, it's a 7 by 1000. What does it mean? It means 7 plus 0. It's a 7 foot. On foot it travel 500 meter. So we have to convert this into kilometer also. 500 by 1000 kilometer. It's a 0.5 kilometer. So here we will convert into like decimal, it's 0.500. Now, then we can easily write down 8 plus 7, 15, 5, 1 carry, 6 plus 1, 7, 2 plus 5, 7.22.75 kilometer. This is your answer. My main purpose to discuss this question for the conversion of these two. That's why I solve this type of question once again. Now we discuss. Now there are two questions of subtraction. I am going to choose only one. Next, remaining one you have to solve by yourself. And this is this video's last question. Today I am not going to give you any task. It says that Rani has rupees 1850. How much rupees have? this one rupees Rani has, and it says that purchased ice cream, the cost of ice cream rupees 11.75. So remaining rupees means we have to subtract. Rani has this amount of rupees, he purchased one ice cream. What rupees he has? She has, sorry. It's 18.50 minus 11.75. Subtract it. 10 minus 5, 5. 14, 14 minus 7, 7. 7, 7 minus 1, 6. Rupees 6.75. So okay students, I'm going to solve two more questions and complete this decimal topic. Let's start. It says that the cost of 1 meter of cloth is rupees 35.80. So what is given to you? Cost of 1 meter equals to rupees 35.80. 35.80. So question asks, therefore cost of 9 meter. Question asks for you 9.8 meter. So in this case, cost of 1 meter is given, and you have to ask more amount of cloth. Then we have to multiply this by this to get the answer. So therefore cost of 9.8 meter equals to 35.80 into 9.8. We have to multiply this. So in your rough work you have to multiply 3580, what I told to you. First multiply, then place the decimal. So 8 0 ja 8 6 ja 64, 6 carry, 8 5 ja 40 plus 6 46, 4 carry, 8 3 ja 24, 24 plus 4 28. Once again 8 0 0 8 8 ja 64, 4 6 carry, 8 5 ja 40 plus 6 40, 4 carry, 8 3 ja 24 plus 4 8. Again 9 0 9 8 ja 72, 9 5 ja 45 plus 7 52, 5 carry, 9 3 27, 32. Once again 9 0 0 9 8 ja 72, 7 carry, 9 5 ja 40, 5 plus 7 52, 5 carry, 9 3 ja 27, 27 plus 5 32. What we have? 0 4 8 10 5 3, and how many decimal? 1 2 3. It's a rupees 350. It's a rupees 350.840. So generally we not use in that third digit in rupees. So this is your answer. Okay, today's last question, and we will finish decimal topic, complete decimal topic. Farida bought some bags of cement, each weighing 49.8 kilogram. So weight of one bag cement equals to, then it is given to you, and total weight of the bag weight is given to you, and question asks you how many bags. So we have to find out the number of bags. Clear how we find these things? So weight of one bag is given, it's 49.8 kg. Total weight is given to you, it's 1792.8 kg. Question asked to you, if weight of one bag is given and total weight of cement is given, question asked to you, find the number of bags. How we find? We divide total weight by one bag. So therefore number of bags equals to 1792.8 total weight by 49.8. Here remember there are decimal numbers, so they are like decimal numbers because after decimal we have one digit, so we can easily remove the, here we can remove the decimal number first. So we can write down this as this one and this one. The decimal number are need not write because they are like decimal numbers. Always remember. Now in this case we try to divide. So divide it over here in rough work. 4981792.8. 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16. No, 4 4s are more, 4 3s are. Now when we multiply this complete by 3, I think we have answer. 8 3s are 24, 2 carry, 9 3s are 27 plus 2 29, 2 carry, 3 4s are 12, 16, 8 9 cancels. Now there must be some missing numbers. 1792.8 and it's a 3. 3 8s are 24, 3 9s are 27, to 9 2 carries 12, sorry 12 to 14, sorry. Now it's a 2, 2988. Now 6 4s are 24, 7 4s are 28. 28 is more maybe greater to 26. It's a 8, 6 8 are 48, 4 carry, 6 9 are, oh, it's a 2988. Once again, 6 8 are 48, 4 carry, 6 9 are 54, 54 plus 4 58, 5 carry, 6 4 are 24, 24 plus 5 29. So its answer is your 36 bag. So your work is to complete exercise 7.5. I hope you people enjoyed this one. Next topic very soon I give you some new concept. All of you must complete your work. Today I am not going to give you any task. So all of you see the video and complete your work. Plus still some of you are not subscribed my channel, so subscribe it. Subscribe button just given below at this side, means right hand side of the video at the bottom, and you must press the bell icon. That's all for today. Thank you.